Hello everybody, I'm Mario. And I'm Luigi. And we're plumbers. Yeah. And today, we're gonna fix this man's house. Yeah. We're gonna fix his toilet, his sink, and anything else for his clean. Yeah.
I'm pretty excited about this. It's our first time on the job. And it's our first day filming the Mario Bros. Saving the Mushroom Kingdom, one toilet at a time.
Mario Bros. The documentary is basically a documentary segment of everyday life of the Mario Bros. That's us.
Hello?
Hi. What is plumbers you sent for?
And who are you?
We're the plumbers you sent for. I'm Mario. It's me, Luigi. No, Luigi. That only works when I do it.
I didn't send for any plumbers. You two can leave now.
I may have exaggerated the getting a call thing a little bit.
But then, who called us?
Must have been a prank call, guys. Sorry, happens all the time.
Yeah. You're probably right.
Looks like we can have the first time on the job some other time.
Alright, see you guys.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Yeah, boss, I heard it. Sounds like the sound that toilet made back in 72.
1972 was a hard year for Mario Bros.
You want to ask you to leave?
Excuse me?
It's basic procedure.
Get out of here. Get out of the house. We'll take it early. Job this guy is going to take 2 hours.
Why don't you go chill with your friends, do something to get everything off your mind?
Alright. Fine. Get out of the house and come back happy. We'll take care of everything. Courtesy, the Mario Bros.
Do this. Man, last time they were trapping Bowser.
Yeah.
I don't want to get sucked down the toilet again. I'm not even wearing swim trunks.
Yeah. Going from tube to toilet is like moving down a class.
Do you think we're up to it, boss?
I don't know.
Luigi?
Yeah, boss. Get the plunger.
Let's do this.
No! I need to do this for myself. Turn your back, Luigi. I don't want you to see me like this. Oh, God! Oh, God, you devil! Mario? Mario? Hey, oh, man, not again.
There wasn't something?
No. But there isn't like a wheel on this house. I guess I made this foot there was hidden when they got pipes out. Let's just get back to work.
wrecked my house.
Let's fix it. The sink was fine before. By the way, you might hear some clogging every time you flush now. Have this place cleaned up before I'm back at 5. Believe me, we can make it a lot better than before. Now this, not better, the same, before you wrecked everything. Got it?
Yeah. He must work for the Koopas. Mario, what are we gonna do? Got to apply this in this house. Let's get cleaning. Well, I think we're done here. Yeah. Everything's up there and there. Hey, there's only one thing. Could have made him back out there. Luigi, I think we got Goombas on our hands. Mario Brothers Plumbing Service isn't just plumbing. We also exterminate Goombas. Goombas in there. Oh God. I see it. Oh my God. The Goomba. Never had a Goomba infestation my entire life. Then those two idiots showed up.
Always seems to be fine. Kitchen seems fine too. So is the living room. What happened to you guys?
Here at Mario Bros. Incorporated, believe me, you can do anything to put your mind to it.
You guys managed to rip apart and reconstruct my house all at the same time.
60,
I'll be sure to tell all my friends.
70,
What's your friend
80,
over there doing?
90. Luigi, he's just adding on to us.
Whoa. Excuse me?
Alright, that's 300 for the Goomba.
You gotta be kidding me.
No. We here at Mario and Brothers Plumbing Service take our job very seriously, and we assure you this cost is all done to your personal satisfaction. Oh, be $850, please.